Little before video of some washing of this building here. Just going to be washing the front canopy. See, they're missing a bunch of snow breaks right above this door here. Looks like there's an old sign up there. These windows are filthy. The door has a bird's nest. Lights. See what we can do with this concrete underneath here. Still silt from the winter on here. This nasty doorway. Make this look better for him. See what happens. So we can get some of this gum off the ground, some of this soil on this front step here.